1.8% of 300 minus 200. So that's 5.7 million plus 1.8% of 100. Pila?
1.8.
7.5 million. So that's your sweldo. Kaya hatian ka, wala? Ha? Wala. Ibuka lang ka because it's a dad's contract. So architect lang yan. Nakuha. That's how we compute our RPF based on kining mga based on the tables. Okay, so kana. What do you mean with basic fee? Next is group 3. Buildings of exceptional quality, complexity rather. Buildings of exceptional character and complexity of plan or design requiring large amounts of research and of engineering. Time is 7-11. Engineering and allied architectural design. So, pag apunta na sa group 3, ingani na ang iyang RPF. So, napansin ninyo, it started with 5. Then, sa group 2, it's 6. And now, it's 7. Nakuha, it's 7%. So, same lang gihapon kung paano siya i-derive. If you want to derive the table, and it's always, and that is always 60% of the ends.
60% of the ends.
Wait lang ha, I have to check something.